हमें किताब चाहिए, हमें किताब चाहिए.
Hi, so who is hosting the session? Can I just, yeah, I think I'm on the screen. Sorry, we're not able to hear for a while. Uh, so this is Samay Kharka from Karkhana, Nepal. We are a company called Karkhana based in Nepal. Thank you PLF for giving the opportunity to run the session. So I'll be directly jumping to the session. So let me share my screen. Mm. Okay, so those who are in the auditorium room, also those who are seeing in me live. So here is the first question. We will be starting our session with some brain teaser. So the first question is, what is the thing that's easy to break? So anyone, those who are seeing us live, they can also type their answer. Also, those who are in auditorium hall, maybe they can use their mic and our earphone, and they can answer to this question. So I'll wait for 10 seconds to get this answer. Okay, so I got answer called a fort, another is promise, a mug or a fort maybe. I'm open to the new answer. There may not be a single answer. So people from the auditorium room also, they can try guessing. Okay, I can hear there is what called promise. Okay, so any types of glass, maybe we can break the glass, any types of glasses. Is it to break? So when people are settling down, let's jump to another question. I'm not sure. There are lots of answers, so there isn't any right answer. Maybe the answer we can find is promise in the Google, but another thing can be a trust. Also, the things that are easy to break are glasses. So let me jump to the another question. Okay, so it belongs to you, but your friend use it most of the time. What is that? So what is that thing that belongs to you, but most of the time your friend they will be using it? So can anyone guess what's the answer? Okay, here are a few responses. Let me take. Okay, maybe your name, maybe because most of the time they will be calling our name. Okay, let me see. I'm eager to see the new things or the new answer. Up to now, there is only one answer. That's the name. Okay. Those who are in maybe friendship, those who are in auditorium room also, if it is possible, who is in the auditorium room, can you just pass the mic and few of the students, they can try guessing the answers. Uh, okay, so these were the brain teasers that I started. So now just let's begin with the session. So few of the expectation today I'm thinking to set for this session is there is simple one expectation. Whenever I'll say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, at 5 you guys have to stop whatever you are doing. Maybe at the middle you'll be making something, or you'll be discussing with your friend or something like that. At that time you just have to stop whatever you are doing. So another thing is whenever when it is 5 you have to stop whatever you are doing, and at 4, 3, 2, 1 you have to look and listen to me. Okay, so let me try. There are few people, I can see few peoples in the auditorium room. So let me see if they got the things or not. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, still few of the peoples they were moving. So again, I like to repeat the expectation of the class. So whenever I'll say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you have to stop, listen, and look. So maybe you'll be walking around the corners, or you'll be going to the material station. So whenever I'll say 5, you have to stop, and 4, 3, 2, 1, you have to look and listen to me. Okay, so these were the expectations of my class that you guys have to follow. Okay, so here are two pictures you can see. So I'll give you about a minute to guess what's happening in the picture. So you guys can see two pictures in my screen. So people can guess what's actually happening in the picture, or what might be the story behind this. Okay, so just see a picture and analyze. I'll give you 1 minute time to think what's happening here. Okay, I can see few. I can see there are people who is helping me in the auditorium. Okay, so I got a few responses. Still, I'll be waiting for a minute. I can't hear from the auditorium room. I think you have to unmute yourself. Can you hear?
Okay,
Yeah.
can you hear
Okay.
me now?
Now I can hear from auditorium room also. So can you introduce yourself? Can you say your name and just guess what's happening in the picture?
पहले पिक्चर के अंदर बच्चा और उसकी नाना या फिर दादा ने उसके लिए राइस बनाए हैं। दूसरी पिक्चर के अंदर उसकी नाना ने कुछ रखा है और बच्चा कुछ तोड़ रहा है। Okay, so dying Samuel. Dying Samuel is saying that in the first picture, Dadi is making something for her grandson, and in the second picture, he is breaking to something. Okay, he's breaking something.
Okay, so thank you. So also I have got few responses here. So as you have mentioned, maybe in the first picture, our daddy, our grandma, she's making some delicious food for our child. Also in the second picture, the child is going to break or make something. So can anyone here, what's your favorite food your daddy will make to you? So what's your favorite food that daddy cooks awesome food? Okay, halwa. Okay, my daddy she cooks rice and mutton. Very nice. I like how she cooks those things. So pizza. Oh, wow. Okay, so guys, let's say what's the like favorite food your daddy cooks that's super well that you like mutton. Okay, okay. I'll wait for 30 seconds. Khichdi. Okay. Okay, thank you. So I have got a few responses. So it seems like there are lots of daddy will cook the pizza, khichdi, and more. So today we'll be exploring a story where a daddy will be cooking something. So Sunoji will be helping me to read the stories. Also, I'll request all the students to read the stories. So are we ready in the auditorium? So I need to make sure because we are going to, this is the main activity we are going to start. So I just need, if you guys are ready from the auditorium, I need a thumbs up. Also, those people who are seeing us online, if they are ready to read the story, they just need to give me a thumbs up, or they can write in chat. Those who are online, they can write one in the chat. Also, those who are in auditorium, maybe those who are helping me in the auditorium, they can say me if they are ready or not. Okay, most of the people, those who are online, they are ready. Who is in the auditorium? I think it's Farah or someone. Can you just say if those kids are ready or not, so I can move forward? Okay, I'll just wait for 10 more seconds. I think, and after the 10 seconds, we are going to start. So those who are in the auditorium room, so make sure you guys are ready with the material, also ready to listen the story. Okay, I'll count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We are going to start our reading session. We will be reading our story.
Okay, so let's start. The story. So this is the story by Rajiv, and I think, as you can see, the title of the story is Amachi's Amazing Machines. And I think you can see in the picture as well the front cover of the book. So this book is in the Let's Read Asia website, and we have worked with the Let's Read Asia to design some activities related to this book, and I think Samay will help you today to do the activity. And before doing the activity, we will read the story, and then we will try to find a challenge in the story, and we will try to solve it. So that's the whole idea of today's session. So here it goes. Amachi, Amachi, could we make coconut burfi today? Suraj asked his grandmother. Please? He. Only if you help me make it, eh? Replied Amachi. Yay! Ready? Shouted Suraj. Ready, said Amachi. So you can see in the image what's happening, and maybe someone in the auditorium can share like what they see in the picture.
बच्चा एक मशीन से ऊपर अपनी नानों को खींच रहा है ताकि उसकी नानों कोकोनट लेके बर्फी बना सके।
Okay, so what's your name?
रुमाना नाम है।
Rumana said that the child is helping her grandmother so that she could pick up the coconuts from the tree.
So Sunoji also asking what kind of a thing that a child is using to lift her grandma. So what's the name of that thing, or what's the process that he is using to lift her grandma? So can anyone guess the answer? So you can guess your answer. It's not necessary you need to be right.
Mohammed Zubair is saying that he's making pulley for his grandmother so that he can pull the coconut easily.
Okay, maybe this is a system where the things called pulley is used to lift the grandma. Guys, do you think it is safe like to lift the grandma using these things? Anyone in the auditorium or those who are online, can you guys guess like it is safe if we lift our grandma using these devices?
No, it's dangerous. It's dangerous.
Yeah, so thank you. Those who have said it is dangerous, or also I can get few responses in the chat. It's not safe at all because there is high chance maybe our grandma will fall from that things.
So let's see what happens next. So we'll only pick the right ones, okay? The ones that are brown all over. Watch out, here they come. Whoosh, whoop. So that's the sound the coconut makes when it's falling down, right? And they are picking up the coconut tree, and they're using, I think, something really interesting technique to collect the coconut. And grandma is up in the tree and she's picking the coconut, and Suraj is still holding her. So let's move on. What happens next? Now, to get the husks off, poach, crack. So they're cracking the coconut with this device. Suraj's stomach went grrr. Amachi giggled. So I think Suraj is very hungry and his stomach is started making noise. I guess you also had similar experience when you are very hungry. Your stomach makes noise, right? So he's also very hungry. Then we crack the shell like this. Crack. So now they take out the husk off and then they are breaking the coconut and they're cracking it, right? And I think Suraj is collecting the coconut water in that beaker, right? So how many of you had, or how many of you love coconut water? If you love it, you can give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, then you can do thumbs down. Okay, I could see some thumbs up. Okay, it seems like most of us like coconut water. That's really good. Not at all. Okay. Anyway, yeah, some likes it, some doesn't like it, but it seems Suraj enjoys the coconut water. So now I think they are going to do something, make something out of it. Oh, so and so they are taking the pulp out, the white milky part of the coconut. So you can see like there's something happening in the kitchen, and grandma is, I think she's starting to cook the pulp. So maybe let's go to another piece of the story. Okay, toss it into the pan with all other ingredients. It smells so good, Amachi. So that's what Suraj is saying, right? So can some of us share, like, if you were in that kitchen with Amachi, what kind of smell would you smell? Can you describe the smell? Yeah, I could see some hand raise. Yes, we can. I think we can give chance to someone new who hasn't spoken. On your right-hand side. So can you describe the smell that you'll be able to smell when you're in the kitchen and when this coconut is being cooked? Okay, we can see all of you in the auditorium. That's great.
Okay, so I again because
It smells, tastes very good.
okay, if it smells very good, and the second answer was
Okay,
so good, and you said delicious too, right?
good. Okay, can you describe more about the good smell? Like, can you compare it is something that you already know? Like, what is good? Is it like, what is it like? Like something that you've eaten already?
बहुत अच्छा taste होगा.
Okay, both अच्छा taste होता है. So can you, like, what kind of taste is it?
So Kainat is saying it may be it may smell like a fruit.
Okay, good. It smells like a curd. Yeah, I am getting some answer from the chat as well. Yeah, it smells like a curd, like a milky, like creamy, like ice cream. So that's really good, and it definitely tastes better. So now, then they pour it all out on a tray, onto a tray. Wait for it to cool, Baba. So Suraj is trying to grab one of the barfi, I think, and but Amachi is saying, okay, let it cool, otherwise you'll burn your hand, right? Now, I think the barfi is almost ready. Now cut it into neat little slices. Squick, squick. So he's opening the jar of the barfi. Yippee! Our coconut barfi is ready to be eaten. Yum, yum, yum. So finally, Suraj and his grandmother made the barfi. and they cut it into small slices, and Suraj is now enjoying the burfi. That's really good. So now I think Samay will do some activity with you related to the story.
Thank you, Sunod. So as we have mentioned earlier, okay, now, okay, guys, can you guess what's the name of this tree? Anyone in the auditorium? Those who have one is spoken now. So what might be the name of this tree?
Okay.
What this tree look like? This is a banana tree.
Other students participate.
Okay, I can see few. I can see few answer in the chat. Palm tree or a coconut tree.
That's a
Yeah.
coconut tree.
Okay, so as you have mentioned, this is a coconut tree, which was in our story where Amachi and his grandson they were trying to pick up some coconuts. Okay, so in stories also we have asked it, and we have realized that it wasn't safer way to pick up the coconut in this way. So can you guys come up with a few ideas what might be the safer way to pick up the coconut? So if this isn't a safe way, what might be the safest way? So what are the other alternatives?
What might be the safest way? कौन सा
So-
safe हो सकता है? Instead of using this machine.
So I'll give you guys exactly 1 minute to
आपके
think of
ख्याल
the
में कौन
answer.
सा तरीका सही होगा कोकोनट उतारने का? I'll take answer from you.
So what might be other some idea to get the coconut without climbing the trees, or what might be the safer way?
You have answer from here.
Okay, maybe by throwing the stones or using a ladder. Okay, by setting the tree. So I think we need a lots of power to shake the tree, and also if we started to shake the tree, maybe there are high chance other coconut also they will fall down. If we started to throw the stone, maybe that's a one way, but we have to make sure other they will not get those hit by the stones. Use the ladder. Okay, maybe that's the one really good idea. We'll be using the ladder, but since coconut tree they are too big or too tall, we need to make sure our tree is sorry ladder is also tall.
Samaya, can you hear me?
Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so we have answers from the auditorium too. Okay.
Okay.
Mariam is saying that it would be safe if Dadi and Amachi would buy it from the market instead of pulling her grandmother out to the tree.
Okay, that might be one of the safer way. They don't have to buy they don't have to pick up the coconut, but someone they have to pick up the coconut. Maybe if Amachi, they will not, Amachi and his grandson, they will not pick up those things. It's necessary or someone they need to pick up the coconut. So I can see here another answer, eating with the stone. So how we can make sure that it's an if I just hit with the stone, if this is the stone, if I started to hit those coconuts, how can I make sure that each and every time my target is correct? So can anyone share those things? If I started to hit with the stone, how can I make sure my target is correct?
Can you want to answer how would you make sure
Anyone,
your target
maybe-
is correct when you are
Is there any way we
picking
can
up the
hit the
coconut?
yeah, is there any way I can make a device, any device, or any kinds of a concept which I can use to make sure that if I use the stone to hit the coconut, it will be on the target, because there will be lots of coconut, and I need to make sure that only I'll eat on the coconut those who are right.
Okay, we have answer here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
The same answer.
Okay.
Samaya is asking कि अगर आप aim कर रहे हो आपको उतारने के लिए आपको कैसे पता होगा कि आपका aim या आपके निशान पे लग रहा है कि आप सही कोकोनट उतार सके. Okay, so we learned.
Okay, so I can hear, I got the answer also. There are a few answers in the chat box, maybe by using bows and arrow, or maybe making some kind of a shooter. Okay, those could be the answer.
Sufyan answered that like he can pick up the coconut with the help of a ladder.
Yeah, maybe we can use a ladder also, but if the coconut tree they are too big or too tall, maybe we need a bigger ladder, and normal ladder maybe that won't work. Okay, so let's move forward. So as you guys have mentioned, there are different ways to pick up the coconut from the tree. So we are going to explore, we are going to build a machine that will help to pick up the coconut from tree. Okay, so for this activity, you need this material. So all of you make sure you'll grab this material within a minute. So I have projected the name of a material. So this popsicle stick, those are simple stick, rubber bands, bottle caps, eraser, ruler, scissor, masking tape, colored paper, thin copper wire, and a glue. So I'll give you 1 minute time. Within a 1 minute, you guys have to make sure you all have this material. So I can show all of the things again. So these are the popsicle sticks. Okay, these are the popsicle sticks. So these are the rubber band that we used to use to tie our ear. Maybe we can play with this also. So another is bottle caps. We need bottle caps too. Eraser, scissors. Okay, so masking tape. Where is the masking tape? Okay, I'm going to show you the masking tape. Those are simple tapes. Also, we need a glue, and there is a thin copper wire. If you have thin copper wire, that's okay. If you don't have, you can use stick or झाड़ू का stick. आप लोग इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. So what do I have other? Okay, I need few papers also. Maybe these are the paper, or you can use colorful paper also. I'll give additional 30 seconds to make sure you will grab this all of the material. So once all of you will grab this material from the auditorium hall, let's give a thumbs up so I can move forward. Also, those who are seeing me online, they can write, they can type 1. So I'll be sure that I can move forward.
Sumaya, we are here distributing the materials to students here, and some of the students will be performing in front of the stage. So you can
okay. Okay, sure, that will be helpful too. So we just have 20 minutes left. So let's make sure we'll utilize this time. I just have 10 extra seconds to collect these things. So all of you, please make sure you'll collect these things. So those who are online, did you got this material? So this is a masking tape that I'm going to use. You can use any types of tape. So it's basically a paper tape. Okay, I can see few responses in chat. Okay, let us know if you guys are ready with your material. I can see few of the people, they are grabbing their material in the auditorium hall. I'm not sure about to the people who are seeing us online. So if you have this material, it will be helpful, or else you just can take a screenshot and maybe you can build these things later on. I just can give additional 1 minute to make sure you will collect these things. So those people who are in auditorium hall, make sure you hurry up to collect these things. Okay, so those who have collected those material, will start to make. Let's. I still can see few of the people, they are collecting their material in the auditorium hall. Okay, so I'm going to show some just the Farah also, who is in auditorium hall. Can you let me know if the people, they are sitting in the group or they are working individual? Uh, okay, so those who are in auditorium room, if you guys, if you guys have made a group of a people, maybe 2 or 3 people in a group, you can do a thumbs up. If you don't have a group, you can simply do a thumbs down.
So the students are also performing individually, and there are also 2 groups who are in front of the stage. So we are also giving some materials individually to students.
Okay, do they have instruction sheet?
Samaya, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So do they have the instruction sheet, the printed instruction sheet?
Will you start the experiment? The students will perform along with you.
Uh, yeah, so do they have the instruction sheet, the printed instruction sheet that I have provided or not?
Can you speak a bit louder? We can't hear you properly.
Can you hear me now?
A bit louder, please.
Okay, so Farah, do they have the instruction sheet that I have asked you guys to do the printed things or not? So I can do up to the, I can plan as for that. Uh, okay, so I'm going to start the activity. I didn't get a response from auditorium hall. So here are few steps you guys need to follow. So all of you follow the step number 1. So at step number 1, what you guys are supposed to do is place a one is a popsicle stick between other 2 as shown in the figure. Okay, so what we have done in the picture is at step number is take a popsicle stick and place another popsicle stick like this and other like this. So just to make a shape of a plus or something like that. Now you need to tie it with the help of rubber. Okay, so if you have done the step number 1, just give me a thumbs up so I can move forward. So at step number 6, step number 1, you guys are supposed to make this shape. So maybe you can use 1 or 2 rubber to make stronger. Okay, so at step number 2, what we are doing is we are taking a masking tape and we are now going to paste the popsicle stick on the other end of the popsicle stick. So for example, if this is the head of popsicle stick, we are going to paste we are going to paste the bottle caps in the bottom. So what I can do is use the popsicle stick. Now, just what I need to do is make sure it will get stick over here. Okay, so just wrap up.
So we don't have bottle caps available. So what we can do is fold the paper and make a basket. So you can make a small basket instead of this bottle cap.
Yeah, so thank you. So if you don't have the bottle cap, maybe what you can do is you can take a paper. Okay, those who don't have bottle caps, just fold the paper from middle. Maybe you need to fold 2 or 3 times to make sure it's quite harder. Those who don't have bottle cap, you can just make like this kind of a shape. So it's like the semicone. Okay, so those who have done step number 2. Now what you guys are supposed to do is you guys are supposed to do step number 3, where you will be placing an eraser in the middle of popsicle stick. So it will be like this. So if you don't have eraser, maybe you can use a glue stick or something just to keep in the middle of the 2 popsicle stick. That will provide height. Okay, I'm going to give additional 1 minute to complete up to the step number 3. So those who have done up to step number 3, what they can do is they can make a tree using paper. So it is. So here are the steps I'm going to show how to make a tree step by step, but it is not necessary. You need to follow the same process in order to make the tree. Simply, you can make the tree using a popsicle stick. Maybe the simple step to Farah, are you in auditorium room? So can you just give me a bit what the kids they are doing, in which step they are?
Can you repeat please,
Yeah, Farah, I can hear you. So can you give me the update in which step the kids they are doing, or have they completed the first step, second step, or in which step? Because I can't see in which step they are.
Can we see what is the
Hi, Farah. I can't hear you now. Okay, yeah, you guys are making it right. Thank you. So, okay, I can see you. Okay, you guys can continue. Thank you, team. Those who are showing me in the screen. Thank you. So, you can continue with making a tree. So the simple step to make, okay, Thank you. I can see most of you guys already have built the first device and you guys are making tree. So let's continue with making the trees. Okay, I can see now. Let's try to make the tree. Let's try to build a tree at fast. We just have. Okay, yeah. So I like this idea. Can you share your name? Because uh, we showing in the screen. Can you say your name? Okay, so the thing I like about this project was though he didn't had a popsicle stick, he has used the paper to make the the shapes. So instead of using a bottle cap, he has used the paper to make those things. So those who have completed making first device, you guys can make a tree. So I'll give you.
Can you speak a bit louder? We cannot hear you.
Yeah, I'm speaking louder. Can you hear me now? Okay, so those who have completed making the first device, let's try to make the tree, the coconut tree. So you can make the coconut tree using a popsicle stick, and just you need to make decorate the tree.
Okay, students, please now Maya, please so that we can make the.
So here are step number 1, 2, and 3. You can follow if you don't have a clue on how to make a coconut tree. Else you can simply connect the 2 popsicle stick and try to make a tree. So I'm giving additional 2 minutes to complete these things. Okay. Additional 1 minute, you have to make sure you have completed the tree and also the first device we have made. So those who have completed making both tree and the device, what you can do is you can tear a paper and make a small ball and put that small ball in sorry, I need to remake this thing. Okay, so those who have completed making a tree and this device, what you guys are supposed to do is make a paper ball using a paper. You just need to smash a paper and put those things over here. And after that, so here is a paper ball, and here I keep my paper ball inside a bottle cap. Now what I'm supposed to do is, if this is my tree, so instead of making tree, I'm just using a glue stick. So what I'm supposed to do is try to hit on the top of this glue stick. So let me try. Okay, I wasn't successful. So maybe I need to change distance or do something with this thing. So your goal should be you should be hitting on the top of the tree. Okay. Okay. Again, I wasn't successful. Let me try. So if you guys aren't successful, you just can change the location or do something with your device. So to make sure you'll be hitting on the top of the tree. Okay, maybe again I need to try. Okay.
aim for some, let's suppose for a coconut tree, and you have to aim through your machine.
So your aim is to hit on the top of the tree using your machine, the machine you have built just now. Okay, I'll give you additional 1 minute time to figure out how you can the top of the tree using the machine now. Okay, 30 seconds.
Sumaya, our students have made the machine. They have completed their work.
Okay, so those who have completed, what you can do is using that machine, just try to hit on the top of the coconut tree. Okay, we just have 10 seconds left. So guys, try to settle down.
Can you please?
5, 4, stop touching the thing. 3, 2, 1. Sorry.
Wonderful to have you. I wanted to share that we also have people from the school education department visiting us, seeing what the children are doing. Thank you so much.
Okay, one student is showing his catapult.
Yeah, I can see a few catapults they are making. So those who have completed, guys, can you just give me a time? Maybe you can continue later on. I'm going to ask few of the reflections questions. Guys, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop making. I still can see few of the people they are making. Just leave your hand off and listen to me.
Yeah, most of the students have made the catapult. Can you show your catapult in the camera, please?
Yeah. So guys, if you have completed making your catapult, so my first question is, what is the use of this rubber in a catapult? What will happen if you haven't used this rubber? Yeah, thank you. So I can see lots of the catapult that are being made. So what might be the use of this rubber in this catapult?
Might be the use of this area, Sumaya.
What might be the use of rubber in your device? Okay, you guys can answer, guess answer. Not the use inside device. And second question you need to search is, what is the use of rubber in this device? Okay, so another question is, so I think you guys have seen whenever I was trying to hit on the top of the paper, top of the tree, I wasn't able to hit. So what changes what are the changes I need to bring in order to make sure that I'll be hitting on the top of the tree. So can anyone guess like what are the changes I need to bring in my this device in order to make sure that I'll be hitting on the top of the tree? Okay.
We cannot hear you. Can you use headphones?
Yeah, I can hear you. So I have typed we have typed the question in chat box also. So first question is, what do you think is the use of rubber band in your device? So first question is, what do you think is the use of rubber band in your device? Second question is, what changes do you need to make so that you hit on the top of the tree? Those who are in the states, can you guys share the answer? Maybe can I get the chance to interact with them? Farah, can you give mic to them? Maybe they can answer. Those who are in auditorium, or are in states on the states. Okay, Nibesh, he has answer, make your distance perfect. I think this is for the second question. What are the changes do you need to make so that you can hit on the top of the tree? Farah, can you just give a mic to them, or if anyone, those who are interested to share their answer? So I have just last question.
So Maya, can you repeat the question a bit loudly? We cannot hear you properly, so that the students will be able to answer your question.
Okay, I think I can project the question in screen. That will be helpful. So I projected the question in screen. You can read the question in challenge your mind section. What is the use of rubber band and eraser in your catapult?
Okay, so this machine is called a catapult. What do you think is the use of rubber band and eraser in this machine? So anyone who wants to answer, इधर आके answer करें.
Okay, I can see Nibesh, he has already answered another, Noma, he has answered another question also.
तो हमारे अंदर कुछ लोगों का Okay, so Arun is saying that the rubber band is used to create a pressure to throw the ball or to throw the ball in a distance. We can't hear you, Samaya. Please unmute your mic.
Sorry, so that might be answer or might not be answer. So all of you can go to your room and try to search at first, try to search what's the name of this device and what's the use of rubber in this device. Also, here is another question. What if you launch the paper or eraser and a paper ball of the same size, which one will travel further and why? So if you can't hear me, you can read this question or take a screenshot, or you can take a note and try to find the answer of these things. Also, the last question is, what concept of a simple machine might be used on this device? So what concept of simple machine might be used on this device? So these were the questions you guys can go and search in your room. So this was all. So this was all for today. So our session is almost over. If you have any question, you can ask to us. So I just have 1 minute. So if you have any question in the between, we can answer you.
What is this machine called? Can anyone answer? It's called a catapult. It's called catapult. Okay, so we are not here, Sumaya. What you can do is you can go at your homes or teach your friends how to make a catapult. और किस तरह आप catapult से
Okay, guys, thank you. I didn't hear all the things clearly. Farah, can we end the session? I think we are out of time now. Farah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
So thank you to all those. Thank you to those who have participated us virtually, or also those who are in the auditorium room, and those who have made those devices. So go and try to search the answer of those things, and you can just ping us those answer on our Facebook also.
हमें किताब चाहिए, हमें किताब चाहिए, जो जिंदगी बदल दे हमको वो निसाब चाहिए।